Today I just wanted to reflect on the few things that we shall be talking about in 2021. Now that we are moving on to another new year, it is it is always good to update you on how we are going to progress as a family. I plan to be talking about making money online. So I will be talking about how to make money on YouTube, on Facebook, Instagram, and also through other programs that are digitized like affiliate marketing, surveys, and stuff like that. Generally making money through technology. I will also be talking about agriculture because this is the main reason for the channel. So it is best that we cut costs. So we shall be talking about how to cut costs through making a kitchen garden. So every Wednesday I will be posting stuff to do with how you can make money at the comfort of your home, because relying on one source of income can be detrimental to our financial health. So we need to take care of our finances by making money from other sources of income that are readily available to us. Apart from that, we shall be talking about organic strawberry production every Sunday, how to control pests, fungal infections, how to increase productivity, the importance of soil testing when you are starting your strawberry production, and also the importance of taking care of our plants so that we can increase productivity. Guys, by the way, I do not have a plan. If you have anything that might be jovial, or you have a party you're planning, you can invite the farm girl. The farm girl is so formless this end of year. So you can just invite me in case you're having a party. I'll try and show up. You leave a comment below and tell me what are you going to be doing this end of year 31st. I thank you guys for watching. Remember to share, subscribe, comment, and happy and a prosperous 2021. I love you guys so much. Bye.